Well, you have a number of these pop-ups testing sites that really have not been approved by the City of Houston Health Department, not been vetted by the City of Houston Health Department. So I've heard of people who have gone to some pop-up testing sites, and they have yet to get their test results. Now, some of the signs to be on the lookout for, and that is if anybody is asking you for a credit card, if anybody is asking you for money. Those are big signs, and you simply need to walk away from those testing sites. At all of the testing sites being conducted by the City of Houston Health Department or in collaboration with the City of Houston Health Department, we're not asking anyone for credit cards. You don't have to pay for anything at all. In fact, that's one of the requirements. If a vendor, for example, wants to work with the City of Houston, one of our requirements is that you cannot charge. So if anybody is asking you for any money, for your credit cards or any private sort of information, those are telltale signs. If they are not on our website, for example, because we announce all of our mega sites, we announce where we are conducting tests, the clinics, all of those sites, venues are online. If they do not exist online, then that should be another tell sign. Okay, so just be very careful. But we will continue to ramp up testing throughout the city of Houston, working with others, so that testing can be widespread, accessible, and free. Number one, we vet all the labs, okay, because they have to be approved and credible labs, okay? So until the labs are vetted, for example, we will not partner with a particular vendor. So we vet them first. Secondly, what we are saying to them, if people are having to wait, let's say 4 or 5 days or longer for test results, then they become useless because people are not going to sit around and wait, 4 or 5 days. For testing to work at its very best, people really need to be able to get their test results back, let's say within 48 hours. 72 at the very latest, okay? But preferably 48, even better 24, okay? Especially the PCR test. So that's the goal that we're shooting for. So the conversations that I've had with the City of Houston Health Department is let's do everything we can to have testing available, accessible, with vendors with their own accredited labs, so that people can get the results back in a timely fashion where it works for them and works for the greater good of the City of Houston. And that's 48 hours or less. If you go past, for example, if you get into that 4th, 5th day or beyond, then we are defeating our purpose. We're wasting people's time, and it's not doing very good, doing anybody much good.